This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
Tunisian authorities have opted for Chinese suppliers and partners to meet the North African country's medical supplies and equipment needs. The medical equipment imported from China will be used to support the country's efforts to combat the coronavirus pandemic. CGTN's Adnan Chauchi tells us more.
The first plane has been loaded with 27 tons of equipment, including 5 million surgical masks and 500,000 P2 disposable masks for doctors, nurses, and emergency medical services workers.
Timely delivery of supplies has been guaranteed for the protection of medical personnel during the fight against the coronavirus. The Central Pharmacy in Tunisia and the Tunisian Embassy in China have made this possible in record time.
The CEO of the national carrier says the first direct flight between Tunisia and China is an important technical, logistical, and human achievement for the North African country.
This is a historic flight and a record for national carrier Tunisia. The plane spent 20 hours in the air and 4 hours in China to load the medical supplies. This mission is a contribution of our aircrew and technical staff to Tunisia's effort in the health and social sectors.
Health Minister Abdel Al-Makki noted that Chinese firms will also provide coronavirus test kits, which have a very high accuracy rate.
China introduced these test kits at the end of February. This efficient product has been in the market for less than a month and a half. We approved the delivery after verifying the quality of the supplies.
The distribution of medical supplies has started in 24 regions across Tunisia. Health authorities will buy protective gear, surgical and P2 masks from Chinese suppliers until the end of the pandemic. The Ministry of Health and the Central Pharmacy have announced that 5 other aircrafts are expected shortly in Tunisia. They will be loaded with equipment for intensive care units, as well as more supplies of protective kits for tens of thousands of health professionals. Adnan Chauchi, CGTN, Tunis.